What's going on, guys? Vivid Mickey here with you guys today, but you can call me Michaela. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Emerson 32-inch LED TV, HDMI input, high definition television, closed caption, decord, and remote controller. And then, yeah, so just to look at the box, it's more or less just a regular television box. You can see all the stuff here. 32 inches. I paid about, it was $179. It was $9.66 tax. So I paid $188 for it with some of my Christmas money, so that I can get my Xbox One at tax time. So we're just gonna open it up. My goodness, they take this apart. Okay, so now that we got it opened up, the first thing that you're going to see is some styrofoam and a remote and the instruction manual. So there's the remote, the instruction manual. And then some styrofoam. Here's the base for it, which is going to be really important unless you're going to mount it, I guess, onto the wall. I guess you can go out and buy a mounting bracket, and yeah. More styrofoam. And now for the big thing, I guess, just pull it out. The TV, and there's just some more styrofoam in there. Okay, so we're going to open this up. Very carefully. Oh, the tape, is that what that was? Yeah. There we go. Okay, so that's a lot of plastic. Wow, smells brand new and everything. It's got like a little fan at the bottom of it to keep it cool. So, pull this out. It smells like brand new plastic. Okay. And there's that, and then the back of it is like a little more bulkier, but the flat screen itself isn't bulky at all. You got, let's see what you got back here. Okay. So, you have your orange, white, and red. It's too dark. And then HDMI, which I figured it would be dark. Green, blue, and red. So, I'm guessing this is for the HD, and then you got the HDMI port, like I said, and then this is just for regular. Alright, and then I guess you're just going to take the bracket, or the base of it, and it's just going to hook on right here. Or maybe that's for the bracket. I'm not for sure yet, guys, but thanks for watching. This is Vivid Mickey, but you can call me Michaela, signing out. So I will see you guys when I see you guys.